हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? सब ठीक है ना? फिर एक बार आज से फिर स्टार्ट करने वाले रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन का नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। जैसे कि फर्स्ट लेक्चर में मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन पार्ट बता दिया है, उसमें हमने क्या क्या सीखा। ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मीन्स व्हाट, रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, एज वेल एज वी हैव सीन दैट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एंड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। नाउ इन टूडेज लेक्चर जस्ट वी हैव टू अप्लाई दिस डेफिनेशंस। मीन्स एज वी हैव सीन दैट oxidation is nothing but increase in oxidation number, and second one reduction, in that there is a decrease in oxidation number. These two definitions as well as another two definitions we have to apply here. Which are these two? See here. Reducing agent means those species undergoes oxidation, and oxidizing agent those species undergoes reduction. So in these reactions already I have written 5 reactions. So with the help of this 5 examples, we will see which reaction is oxidation, reduction, reducing agent, oxidizing agent. Okay, before going towards these main 5 reactions, we will discuss small definitions, small reactions. In that first reaction is that if we consider we are having the Zn2 plus, okay, and there is a formation of Zn. Now see here, firstly you should know that either here it is a gain of electron or loss of electron. See here, oxidation number is, it is ion. So whatever charge present on the ion, that is the oxidation number of that ion. Okay, and here Zn, which is present in its free state, so its oxidation number is 0. Now see here, plus 2 to 0. What is that? Oxidation number changed from plus 2 to 0, means there is a increase or decrease in oxidation number. Oxidation number is decrease. So decrease in oxidation number. अभी देखो oxidation number decrease हुआ, मतलब oxidation या reduction? Reduction. Okay, clear to you? So in this way we identified this reaction is oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. Now see here, the species which undergoes reduction, here Zn2 plus undergoes reduction, means this Zn2 plus acts as a oxidizing agent. Clear to you? The species which undergoes reduction, it is called as a oxidizing agent. So in this way Zn2 plus which undergoes reduction, it acts as a, or it behaves as a oxidizing agent. Okay, now this is first example in which we have completed, we have identified that oxidation or reduction reaction and which is the oxidizing or reducing agent. Now see second definition, second example. Fe3 plus it changes to Fe2 plus. Okay, or we will take here plus 2 changes to plus 3. In this way, means here oxidation number is plus 2, here it is plus 3. So from plus 2 to plus 3, so there is an increase in oxidation number. As we know that in a reaction there is an increase in oxidation number, that is nothing but the oxidation, and the species which undergoes oxidation is called as a reducing agent. So in this way Fe2 plus it acts as a, or it is a reducing agent, or which is also called as a reductant. Clear to everyone? So now we will see one by one all these 5 examples. So because I want to clear your concept regarding that reducing agent, oxidizing agent, as well as we are going to complete the identify the given reaction, which of the following is the redox reaction. See which points we are going to cover in these points. See, first one we have to identify which one is oxidation, which one is a reduction, third one oxidizing agent, fourth one reducing agent, and last one given reaction is redox reaction or not. That also we have to find out. Clear to everyone? Now we will take one by one example. ठीक है? सो यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं लास्ट से। अभी आप बोलोगे मैडम फर्स्ट से क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि लास्ट को यहाँ पे जगह है तो वो प्लेस यूज करेंगे, उसके बाद इसको इरेज करेंगे। अब वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस. ओके, नाउ सी हियर इन दिस एग्जांपल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द फिफ्थ एग्जांपल. इन दैट Ag, लिसन केयरफुली, Ag which is present in its free state as I explained in a second lecture, that some rules regarding the oxidation number. In that, one rule is that if atom is present in its free state, then its oxidation number is 0. So in this way, Ag, it is present in its free state, so its oxidation number is 0. Now see here, oxygen, it having the oxidation number -2. So easily how to find out? Up to now, how we have find out? See, NO3 minus, so in this way -2, here X, so X minus plus 2 into equal to -1. In this way we have calculated. Now how to find out easily or fastly? Now see here, as we know that whatever charge present on that material or that compound, it is to the, we have to write to the equal to the side. Okay, now see here, for this one we have to find out the X. So here we will not write anything, but for this one, see, 3, its oxidation number is -2. So 3 2s are -6. That -6 is present to the left side of the equal to sign, means like that, -6 equal to -1. X is already there, so not necessary to write, just imagine the calculation and write its answer. So 3 2s are -6, -6 shifted to that side, it becomes +6. So finally -1 plus 6 equal to +5. In this way you have to try the calculation part for each and every example. Okay, now see here that is the -2 and here it comes, that is the +5. How it is? 3 2s are -6, -6 shifted to that side, it becomes +6, +6 -1, answer is +5. Now see here, Ag plus, it is the ion, means cation is there, so its oxidation number is +1. Here again oxygen -2, nitrogen 2 2s are -4, -4 shifted to that side, it becomes +4. So now see here, now see here Ag, its oxidation number changes, yes it is changed, that is the +1. Nitrogen, its oxidation number changed, +5 +4, yes it is changed. Oxygen -2 -2 means 2 atoms are there whose oxidation number is changed. Now see, from Ag to Ag plus, and second one nitrogen to nitrogen. Okay, now see here, 0 to +1 means oxidation number is increased or decreased? It is increased. So increase in oxidation number means this is the oxidation reaction. Okay, now see, nitrogen +5 to +4 means oxidation number is decreased. So decrease in oxidation number, so this reaction is the reduction. Okay, hope so. In this reaction we have completed 2 points, oxidation and reduction part we have identified. Now see, both means oxidation and reduction reaction takes place in the same reaction. These reactions are called as a redox reaction. Now see, this fifth reaction in which oxidation and reduction both reactions takes place in the same reaction means this is an example of redox reaction. So in this way we identified oxidation, which one is undergo oxidation, which one undergoes reduction, either this is the oxidation redox reaction or not. That 3 points, these 3 points we have covered. Now see, oxidizing agent and reducing agent, which is the last part. See, now see this Ag, this undergoes oxidation means this Ag is a reducing agent. Clear to everyone? Means जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो क्या करता है, वो एक्ट होता है एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. ठीक है, सो ये हो गया रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. अभी NO3 विच अंडरगोस रिडक्शन मीन्स दिस इज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. होप सो सबको इस एक रिएक्शन जो हमने सॉल्व किए वो समझ में आई होगी. फिर एक बार देखो नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर के बारे में. देखो यहाँ पे NO2 है, इस पे कुछ भी चार्ज नहीं है. इमेजिन करना है सब, क्योंकि आप अगर हर बार सॉल्व करते जाओगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा, इसलिए आपको ट्रिक यूज करते जाना है. 2 2 जा -4 इज टू द लेफ्ट साइड, सो राइट हैंड साइड पे जाएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ भी चार्ज नहीं है, मतलब -4 ओनली चेंजेस टू +4. लाइक दैट फास्टली यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द कैलकुलेशन पार्ट. होप सो एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस फिफ्थ रिएक्शन. नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द फोर्थ रिएक्शन. नाउ सी विच इज द फोर्थ रिएक्शन. सी इन दिस वन Cu plus already it is iron, means its oxidation number is +1. Oxygen -2, iodine. Now how to find out? 3 2s are -6, -6 changes to shifted to that side, it becomes +6, +6 -1 +5. अगर हम अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर जाते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर भी आप नोट डाउन कीजिए, वो देखो आयोडीन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन, डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन, सिंगल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन. यहाँ पे -1 है, मतलब इसका हो गया +1. -1 मतलब -2 हो गया ऑक्सीजन पे, इसके लिए यहाँ पे आ गया +2. इसके लिए -2 तो आयोडीन पे आ गया +2. देखो +2 +2 +1 मतलब आ गया ना +5. अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर एज वेल एज दिस वन वी हैव सॉल्व्ड. I hope so everyone has written this structure also. Now see, for this one copper 1+, but here it is copper 2+, means we have to write the oxidation number whatever is present on that ion. So it's a +2. Now iodine. Iodine is a dimolecular form. Okay, so as I told you that H2, N2, O2, F2, Cl2, Br2, when they are coming in that their bimolecular state, then its oxidation number is always 0. By applying that rule, we have to identify which one is a oxidation, which one is a reduction. Now firstly we will observe whose oxidation number is changed. Now see here copper plus, that is changed, copper 1+2, copper 2+, iodine +5 to 0, this is the second one. Okay, now see here +1 to +2, oxidation number is increased or decreased? It is increased. So increase in oxidation number. अगर oxidation number increase होता है left to right मतलब reactant to product, then we have to write here oxidation reaction. Okay, अगर second reaction compare करते हैं तो उसमें क्या है +5 to 0 मतलब oxidation number is decrease. So decrease in oxidation number, this is an example of the reduction reaction. Now see, once again here we have completed that oxidation reduction. So next point is that either this is the redox reaction or not. Both reaction means oxidation reduction, both reaction takes place in the same reaction. So this is also an example of the redox reaction. Okay, because each and every reaction is redox reaction is not possible or it is not there. Sometimes it happens that there is a conversion from reactant to product will be there, but that will be not the redox reaction. Okay, so here listen carefully, oxidation and reduction both reactions are taking place in the same reaction. So this is an example of the redox reaction. Now last point, that is the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now see, this species undergoes oxidation, means it acts as a reducing agent or reductant. Okay, and here IO3 minus, in that this undergoes reduction, means this acts as a oxidizing agent or the oxidant. Clear to everyone? So here we have completed our second reaction. So those are not able to understand, please revise these points, or we can say that repeat this video, so you will get idea how it is solved, and then also you have any doubt you can write in the comment box also. Okay, so here we have completed our fourth example. Now see third example, one by one we will complete it. Now see once again I2 it is present in its bimolecular form, so its oxidation number is 0. अभी ये देखो H2O3 का अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब से जाएंगे तो each sulfur having the different different oxidation number. How it is I will tell you, but here we have to take the average oxidation number here also. Once again I am repeating this point, listen carefully. H2O3, its structure if we draw, sulfur is there, double bond oxygen, 2 minus is there, so oxygen minus. In this way here it is the double bond with the sulfur. Before that I want to tell you, when there is a bond with the sulfur and sulfur only, at that time if it is bonded with the oxygen, then its oxidation number is different, but oxidation number of that middle sulfur will be 0, because this sulfur is bonded with the sulfur only, that's why. Okay, yeah, about this one you will get idea in this example. Now see, If we consider this oxygen, here it is -1, so we have to write here here it is +1, here -1 means here +1. For this one -2, because for this one bond -1, for this second bond -1, so together -2, and for these two bonds it will be +2. This sulfur is only bonded to this sulfur, so its oxidation number will be 0. So if we calculate or if we find out the oxidation number of each sulfur, then for this sulfur oxidation number is +4, and for this one it is 0. But separately we are not going to take here, just we have to take that oxidation number by taking its average. How to find out the average oxidation number? See here. For this one we got the answer, that is the 3 2s are -6. -6 is equal to -2, 2x is there. Okay, so in this way 2x is equal to -2 plus 6. 2x is equal to 6 -2 plus 4. So x is equal to +2. Okay, otherwise we can say that one sulfur was having the oxidation number, that was the +4, and second one was having the 0. And just we have to divide by the 2, because 2 number of sulfur is there. So +4 divided by 2. In this way oxidation number of sulfur we have to take, that is the +2. Okay, hope so everyone understood this one also. Now see, here it is a +2, oxygen having the oxidation number -2. Okay, now see for this one, first we will complete this one. Only iodine on which there is a minus charge, means its oxidation number will be -1. Now I want to discuss how to find out the oxidation number of sulfur in this molecule or in this ion. Listen carefully. Sulfur S4 are there, so 1 2 3 4. Actually about this ion I wanted to discuss with you in third video, but problem was that I forgot to explain you. That's why right now I am explaining this one, because in that video I wrote these examples: H2S4O6 and second one Na2S4O6. For these two, this is also the same. How it is same, that also I will explain to you. Now see here, for this one, if we consider S, 4 sulfur are there. तो यहाँ पे देखो sulfur, 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 because 4 sulfur are there. Now each one is bonded to each other. 6 oxygen are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now see, here it is -1, here it is -1. Now see here, in this if we consider this sulfur is bonded to this sulfur which is to the left side, as well as right side it is only sulfur. So oxidation number of this sulfur is 0. Now for this sulfur also same situation, to the left side as well as right side only sulfur is there, so its oxidation number is also 0. Now for this one bond -1, one bond -1, so for this sulfur it will be +2. Now see, for this one 0, no problem, but for this also it will be +2. This one -1 means here it will be +1, means on this sulfur if we consider oxidation number of this first sulfur, that is the +5. For the last one also same situation is there, means 2 double bond O, 1 single bond O, that's why its oxidation number is also +5. If we consider its average oxidation number, what we have to do here? Total 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 divided by how many sulfur atoms are there? 4 are there, so divide by 4. So 5 plus 5 10. 10 divided by 4 means it comes 5 by 2. That is nothing but the 2.5. Clear to everyone? Now see how these two examples are similar with this ion. Okay, so here we have to take for the sulfur 2.5. Okay, keep in mind. Now see here, if we consider why situation is same for these two also, O minus, instead of that we have to write here H and H. Same oxidation number will be there, but only if this complex is there we have to draw the structure like that. If it is there, then we have to take Na, and here also we have to take Na. Clear to everyone? So in this way, oxidation number we can find out for these different examples. These examples are very important according to competitive exam. Okay, now see next one. For this one we found that oxidation number for the sulfur we have to take, that is the 2.5. Here it is -2. Now see, iodine oxidation number is 0, 0 to -1. So this is the one reaction, okay, in which there is a decrease in oxidation number. Next one, oxygen as it is. So sulfur +2 to the +2.5. Now see here, 0 to -1 means there is a decrease in oxidation number, and if there is a decrease in oxidation number, that is nothing but the reduction reaction. Clear to you? Now see, sulfur, in that sulfur +2 to +2.5, whatever that, but there is an increase in oxidation number here, that increase in oxidation number by only 0.5. So we have to take here increase in oxidation number. As we know that increase in oxidation number, that is nothing but the oxidation. So 2 points covered once again. Third point, that is a redox reaction. Both oxidation and reduction reaction takes place in the same reaction. So this is an example of the redox reaction. Last one, this species means I2 undergoes reduction, means it acts as a oxidizing agent. It acts as a oxidizing agent. In that, this one S2O3 which undergoes oxidation means it acts as a reducing agent or the reductant. Listen carefully, reducing agent and reductant both are same. Oxidizing agent and oxidant both are same. So यहाँ पे हमने complete कर दिया थर्ड एग्जाम्पल.